Well, hey, Mr. Rick, how you doing?
Well, hey, PeaRoy. Yeah, go ahead and tell your stuff.
Okay. All right, look here. This here is PeaRoys Adventures, and I come on after every show that Mr. Rick does, OAM Garage, and I'd love for you to send me in some dad jokes, all right? So, how you doing there, Mr. Rick? Have you heard some jokes?
Yeah, I've heard some jokes. Wait a minute.
What?
What's the deal with the weird beard?
Well, I was just kind of, you don't like it? I would.
Well, I didn't say I didn't like it. I just thought it was a little weird.
I don't know. I like it, so I just want to be different, you know. Why don't you go ahead and tell your joke?
All right, then. All right, well, no, look, I got some jokes. Let me go ahead and tell them, all right?
Go ahead.
All right. Well, my brother asked me the other day, did I get a haircut?
You don't say. What'd you tell him?
Yeah. I said, no, I didn't. I got them all cut.
Oh, all of them. Okay. All right, give me that.
Yeah, I know, that's not too funny.
Yeah, it's not too funny, but it'll work.
Okay, well, how does an octopus laugh?
How does an octopus laugh? I don't know.
Yeah, with tentacles.
I don't get it.
With 10 tickles.
Oh, 10 tickles.
10
Oh, now that makes funny. All right, well, go ahead and give me that. That was all right. Go
okay.
ahead. Give me that.
What do you call a cow with no legs?
A cow with no legs. I don't know.
Ground beef.
That's ground beef. Okay.
What do you call something that's brown and sticky?
Brown and sticky.
A stick.
A stick, yeah. That's what a stick is, ain't it? All right, give me your last one.
What kind of bug tells time?
What kind of bug tells time?
A cockroach.
A cockroach.
I know, I guess I better tell the long joke.
All right, go ahead.
Well, these are dad jokes, right?
Yes, they are.
But I know that don't mean they have to be bad jokes, but
yeah.
Anyway, one time there was these two young boys out in the backyard and they were camping.
Camping, yeah.
So they cooked up their marshmallows.
Oh.
Sang around a little bit, you know, with the guitars and stuff.
Yeah.
And they fixed them hamburgers. They did all this stuff. And, well, it got to be being pretty late and neither one of them knew what time it was.
Oh, man.
So he says, hey, you know what time it is? He says, no, but I got an idea.
Oh, okay.
What? He said, what's this? I ain't nothing but a hound dog crying all the time. About that time, the next door neighbor says, hey, do you realize it's 3 o'clock in the morning? Shut up.
Well, that's how he found.
He said, we'll see there.
Yeah, that's how I do
3
it.
o'clock in the morning.
3 o'clock in the morning.
All right, you tell yours now.
All right. What do you call a lazy kangaroo?
I don't know. What do you call a lazy kangaroo?
A pouch potato.
Okay.
Yeah, pouch
Give me
potato.
that.
What is a sleeping dinosaur?
What is a sleeping dinosaur? I don't know.
A dinosaur. Get it?
Yeah, it's funny. I just can't get over your look there. All right, tell me another.
Well, I mean, I like it. What did the ocean say to the beach?
What did the ocean say to the beach?
Nothing. He just waved.
Okay. Nothing. He just waved.
Yeah.
That's funny. Okay. All right. Give me an area.
You ever read a book on gravity?
No. Can't say I did.
Well, I heard it's hard to put down.
Yeah. That would be hard to put down, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
That's funny. All right. Give me your last one.
Okay. How does a construction worker party?
Well, I don't know.
They bring the house down.
Oh, I bet they do bring.
Right.
I bet they do bring the house down. All right, give me a long one.
All right, there was this man. He's walking around in the park, you see, and he come up on this old man and a dog, and they was playing chess. And wow, he said, "Wow, this is amazing."
Really? Okay.
Sat there and he watched them play chess, you know, for a little while, and when they got through, he looked at that old man and said, "Man, this here's amazing. That dog's got to be the smartest dog I know." He said, "Oh, he ain't that smart. I done beat him 3 times out of 5.
Oh, goodness. That's
Yeah,
funny
that
right
is
there.
funny
Here
right
you are. All right, man. I enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave and let you finish this thing up. Tell your folks that appreciate them and everything, and I'll talk to you
Well,
later.
all right, Mr. Rick, I appreciate you coming by. I just love telling them old jokes too, man. Anyway, look here. I know they're bad jokes, but they're dad jokes and they're funny, all right? So here's what I want you to do now. For one thing, I want you to join my channel. I ain't got but 23 people that watch it. Well, no, there's more than that because there's more people that watch it than I have subscribers. So, hey, look here, just go ahead and hit that little subscribe button and come on back and watch them, all right? And also, if you want to participate, you can just send your bad dad jokes to right him, okay? Right him. And I'll try to get them on, and I'll try to tell people who sent them in, who's responsible for these bad jokes. You get it? All right, y'all be sweet.